Fun stuff.
Yeah. Thanks for meeting so late. I had another group meeting at like 12 and it was crazy.
No, you're fine. It worked out perfect because I ended up having two different tutoring appointments earlier today, so it worked out really well.
Awesome. All right,
So,
ready for this thing?
yeah, let's get this done.
Okay.
Um, maybe 1 second.
Good.
Sorry. Just a second. Okay, come on, start. Okay, there we go.
Awesome. Okay, so for number 3, it says out of 70 females in the sample, 52 can taste PTC. Out of 59 males in the sample, 42 can taste PTC. Let P1 be the proportion of females, and let P2 be the proportion of males in the population. So we're just going to find P hat number 1.
Okay.
So you take, what is that, 52 divided by 70?
Mhm.
0.7429.
Yep. Perfect. So I got two. So for 4, we do the same thing, just for the males. So 42 divided by 59. So 0.712.
Yep.
Sweet.
Okay. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question? Is the proportion of females who can taste PTC different from the proportion of males? So that one is the second one.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So
um,
nice when you have like your homework done and you're like on top of things.
right? You're like, okay, this makes sense now.
Yeah.
Okay, so create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2. So, which we just used the one proportion page, right? Or no, two proportion. On the Excel sheet, right?
Yep.
Is it two proportion?
I'm pretty sure it's 2.
Because, okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, right. Maybe it's just 1 because the one says. Mm, yeah, I think it's 2.
Yeah, right? Okay.
Because you just change like the type of test. Do you?
Yeah. I'm sorry, gotta get the right numbers. So our X1 would be 52, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the next one is 70. Next one is 42. And the next one is 59.
N2 is what?
N2 is 59.
Oh, okay. I just didn't want to
And
go back to the other screen.
no, you're good. So it gives us an interval of negative 0.123 to 1.85. I mean 0.185, sorry. So the second
Yeah.
one?
So you take the 2 of them, right?
Yeah.
So, yep. Number 6 is B. Sweet.
Awesome. That was fast. Okay.
Next.
Which of the following statements best describes the outcome of this study?
Oh, wait. For the p-value, it's point. Wait.
Sorry.
0.693. So you would keep
Wait.
the no. Fail to reject the null.
Wait, what p-value did you
Number 7, I got a p-value of 0.693.
get? I had a p-value of 0.347.
347. Okay, let's just see.
Okay. What? So you got
Oh,
this
yeah,
in,
yeah, yeah. So you go
okay.
like P1, or like the type of test is P1 is greater than P2.
No, in this one, it'd be the two-tailed test because it's just the whatever it's not equal to. Because we're just looking at if they're different.
Oh, would you divide it in half then?
Mm-mm. It would just be whatever number shows up on your screen. Oh,
For the
wait,
p-value?
no, I got you. My p-value is still messed up because of I was doing the homework still, so I didn't
Oh,
change the p test. So yeah, we're good. So you got 0.693.
uh-huh.
Okay, yeah, we're good now. Sorry.
You're good. So
Okay.
you failed to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
Okay.
So wouldn't that be the third option, right?
Yep.
So just null. Okay.
Which of the following statement best describes the outcome of the study? There's insufficient evidence to suggest that the true proportion of females who taste is different. So it's B.
Yep. Perfect. What I got? Okay,
Great.
for questions 9, holy cow, 9 through 17. How long is this quiz?
I have no idea.
Okay. We will review the mortality rates in day of admission heart attack study with different data. Out of a big number who had a heart attack during the weekday, X amount died. Out of however many people had a heart attack on the weekend, so many died. I don't feel like reading those numbers.
Yeah.
My roommate's laughing at me as I read these out loud.
Okay.
So,
So can you read those again? I'll put them in the Excel file.
okay,
So X1 is
118519.
okay, and then N1 is
Oh wait, no, sorry, that would be N1. Sorry.
okay. So it's
Like
X1.
the numbers. Okay, so X1 would be 16713.
Okay. And then X2?
X2 is 6155,
Mm-hmm.
and then X2 is 42.
Or N2?
Oh, sorry. N2 is 42447.
Excellent. So they do check the requirements.
They pass all the hypotheses tests.
Uh-huh.
Sweet. And which set of hypotheses is appropriate? It would be
Is the proportion of patients who have a heart attack less than the proportion who have a heart attack and are admitted on the weekend?
so wouldn't that be A?
Yep. I just had to do the little crocodile thing in my head.
Yeah, me too, don't worry. Okay. Find P hat 1.
So
Which would be
P hat 2 is 0.145.
okay, for P hat 1, it's 0.141.
Okay, so the z-score is negative 2.020.
Given the z-score from question 13, which should you shade, the left or the right of the z-score for the p-value? Wouldn't it be the left?
I think so, because you're trying to find which one's less.
Yeah.
To the left. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
P-value says Oh wait.
Change the test type.
Yeah, so the p-value is 0.022.
Okay. So what is the decision for this test? We reject the null, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Which of the following best summarizes the conclusion of this test? There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the proportion of a heart attack and die is less than the proportion. Is it A?
Yeah.
Can it really be that easy?
I guess so. Let's try it. What?
We got one wrong.
What did we get?
5. So I guess it's like the
Oh,
last one. P1
yeah.
equals P2, or it doesn't.
I guess
And
that
it's
makes
not the
sense.
p-hat one. So for Brad, who watches this later, he'll get 100%.
Yeah. Sweet. Well, that wasn't too bad though. We still got a 94.
Yeah, that was alright. Not a bad group meeting, for sure.
Yeah, seriously, that was good. Real fast,
Yeah.
real simple. So.
Yeah. It's really, like, when I first saw the homework, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know how to do this. It's going to be so much math. It's going to be so hard. And then, like, they're like, just pull up this Excel file. And I was like, okay. And I was like, okay, I got this.
Right. It's just like, oh, okay, let me just plug in these numbers and let the computer do all the work.
Yeah. It was pretty nice.
Yep. Oh, so on the group project deal, right?
Uh-huh.
We just all have to be working on that until next Saturday. Is that the deal?
Yeah. And, like, I was talking about, we do, like, the cookies or whatever.
Yeah.
We're counting how many cookies are in the bags of Chips Ahoy. So we just have to get like 5 bags of cookies from one of the grocery stores in the Rexburg area.
Okay. So do each of us need to do that? Each of us need to buy 5 bags?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so
then
that'll be like a total of 15 bags.
Okay. That
and
makes
so
sense.
like you'll have your 5 samples, I'll have my 5 samples, and Brad will have his. And so then we can do the statistics on those.
Okay. So maybe we should all try and get that done by the end of this weekend, and then next week we can actually like get the statistics together. Does that make sense?
Yep. That sounds good.
Okay. Do you actually want to send us what you sent in for last week so that we can all see it? I guess. Do you have our emails?
Yeah, you sent me them once when I was like, I don't know how to do a Google Hangout.
Okay. Sweet. Well, yeah, if you want to just send us that and then we'll get started on that.
Sounds good.
Sweet. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll see you later this week.
Sounds good. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.